Want to make up to $200 a day shopping for groceries? In this video, I will share essential tips that you can use in Instacart Shopper. Let's get started. The first tip is to accept every batch at first. When you're brand new, you sit at the bottom of the queue. Take every order, no matter the pay or item count. To learn store layouts, barcode scanning, and routing, every month a consistent of batches, you'll be flying through orders. Next, you want to level up your shopper tier. The more batches you complete, the higher your tier climbs. Higher tiers unlock more and better paying batches, so prioritize finishing orders quickly and accurately. Next, you want to budget your time. Early on, assume each item takes 2 minutes from scan to bag. Use that baseline to decide whether a batch is worth accepting. Once you know the store layout, you'll speed up around 1 minute per item. Next, you want to download the store apps for aisle info. Major retailers like Target and Smith's show exact aisle and shelf numbers in their own app. Use those maps to cut aisle hunting down to seconds. You want to skip self-checkout for big orders. Only use self-checkout if you have fewer than 10 items and zero line. Otherwise, go straight to a cashier to save 10 plus minutes off your shop time. You also want to keep your Instacart debit card and at least one backup payment method on you. Never waste time running back to your card when Apple Pay glitches. Lastly, you want to use a batch tracking app. Install a tool like Shopper Log to analyze peak order times and guarantee minimum pay slots. You'll unlock free trials and a $10 sign-up bonus. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.